Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download and install Horror Tale 1 on your Android device. The process is quite easy, so let's get started. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store on your Android and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and in the search bar at the top, type in Horror Tale 1. Now from the search result, look for the game that says Horror Tale 1 Kidnapper from Euphoria Horror Games. Once you get to the info section, tap on install to begin the download process. Wait for the download to complete and you'll then be able to launch open the app. Once done, click on play and there you have it. That is how you have easily and successfully downloaded Horror Tale 1 on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.